Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Echoverse Gaming, or welcome to Echoverse Gaming if this is your first time with us. I will be your host, Scarlett, and we will be continuing Forever Pets. Let's get into it. Hi! Hey Ziggy! Hi! How are you doing? We need to feed, gently grabbing. Here, get in my hand. Wait. Okay, get in my hand. I'm sorry, Ziggy, I'm trying to. Why are you scared of me? There we go. Hi. Hello. Oh, she's being such a sassy drama queen today. Like... Come on. Hi. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, Ziggy, sing it. Oh, we're not done yet. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to grab you. This is not nice. I don't like this one. Maybe. Oh. Yeah. I'm trying to go. I'll do this one in a second. Let's get you food first. Stop dilly-dallying. Here you go. Here you go. What more? Oh, come on. Sassy. Like, you're not getting anything else. We've got no money. We're broke. Okay? We ain't bougie in this household. Yeah? You want more food? Yeah. You seem happy with this one. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Here. I don't know how to do this one. Chasing game. Lead Ziggy on a... Use a treat to guide him on an 8-meter walk at the table. Okay. This seems cruel. We've obviously got to feed this after. Here you go. Good job. I might switch to the controller just for a second. Just to see if... Oh, that's the TV. Okay. Let's try this again there. Okay, so oh, there we go. There we go. That only took a million years. Okay. Thank you for my song of appreciation. Okay, bubble game. We're back to where we're supposed to be. Hi, Ziggy. Hi, Ziggy.
Hello, guess what? Today your little birdie hits a big milestone. It's officially a youngling now.
Yay!
Time flies when you're raising a bird, doesn't it? Look how much it's changed. Can you spot the differences? The feathers, the size, and it's just been 7 days. It will take another 3 weeks to become adult, and it will be much bigger by then.
This has to be a daily stream, Dad.
To celebrate the first milestone, here's a special gift, a shiny red ball, perfect for playtime and bonding. Science says exercise boosts happiness for both of you. Pop this gift token into Kubo, and you already know what will happen. Enjoy this exciting phase. Until next time.
You're so pretty and big. Oh, you know you're pretty? You know you're pretty? Okay. Xylophone. Let's do this. Where are you? There you are. Bubble game first. Let's do bubbles. Let's try that. What's this about? Ooh, cool. Go away. Handmade bubbles or stick bubbles? Well, I'm using my hands, so. 60 seconds. Oh no. It's only a start. We'll start you 30 because it's your first time. Okay. How do I do it? Don't know how to work that. Let's try that again. Oh, look at you! What's wrong? Get it! Girl! Okay, I know you're 7 days old, but that is sassy. Get over here. Get over here. We do bubbles. You're gonna be a problem, aren't you? Let's start. I'll feed you in a second. Yeah. Seriously, girl? Girl. Yeah. Go. Oh my heavens, you're not even that hungry, girl. What is wrong with you? Okay, Ziggy, you ready now? Go! Go! Here, now, get it! Come on! So bad at this. Go, girl! Go! We're gonna have to do a lot of time with you, girl, because you have the attention span of a spoon. Again. Really? You're gonna vibe with the music? Get up. Girl, stop dancing. Stop that. Girl. You've attention span of a fish. Go. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. just isn't for you, girl. Maybe you're not a sports girl. You're a music girl. Right. Where the hell did you take? Where are you going? Oh my goodness, everything is just testing my patience this stream. Okay, xylophone. Let's do this. Ziggy, let's see if you're a singer, not an athlete. Okay, because girl, that was tragic. How am I going to do your daily grow when you attention span of a spoon? Okay. How does this one work? Xylophone. Train your bird's memory and boost reflexes. Okay. Learn songs together. Okay. C minor down. Okay. Go. Ziggy, come here. Oh, almost there, girl. Let's give it a... Why are you looking so proud? You did it so badly. Try it again. Try again. Girl, you didn't do it correct. But in my defense... I don't need them sticks. Die. Do it. Oh girl, you're tragic. Good girl, Ziggy! You got it! Good job! Can you do that one now? Almost. Let's try it again, girl. Oops. Well, bubble game. I have your attention now, so this might work. Cause girl, you are tragic. And you fly away. She's like, oh girl, no, I don't like exercise. Let's try this one. We'll try it for longer because she has the attention span of a spoon. Need to make them nice and big. And she still misses. Oh, she gets all the wrong ones. Oh, use a phone. Okay, that's good. She's trying, bless her. I know it's the one. Good girl, Ziggy. Don't taunt me now, Bubbles. Yay! This one's different from the other one. Oh, cool. You're hungry, so let's get you something. Grapes? Want some grapes? Nice, that's skyrocketed up. You want more? Nice. Our goal is to get her to 100% in everything on her needs board, which is on my wrist. And I think that's everything at the moment. I'm gonna need suggestions on what we're gonna do next, guys. Like, how do I get her happiness up faster? Like, any suggestions? Cats? What? Go to adoption station? Oh my gosh, hello! Oh my gosh. Oh, you're precious. Early November? Oh my gosh, you look like my cat Mike! Hello! Oh, you even move like him. Oh, beautiful. I think I'll get you. Julius! Oh, you're so cute! Oh, I like you. So you're liking it? No. I don't think you're the cat for me, bro. I think that ginger one was all over me. You wanna come over? Hey, pretty girl. Oh. Lucy. Doughboy! Oh my god, you're gonna be mine! Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna go back to the game station. Oh, look at him! Oh, can I get him? Please I can get him. Youngling. Oh, come here, Ziggy. Ziggy. Hi, baby. I know you want love. Why do you think I'm here? I mean, you give me the love. You want all the love? Did you think I was giving it to the cat too much? We have to admit though, that cat is so cool, bro. Okay, almost on 100. Oh, no. You. Can you feck off? Hi, pretty birdie. You are at 88. Almost there. Come on, girl. Oh, Ziggy. Why are you complaining constantly, girl? You're like 97. Get on my finger, please. Thanks. Just have to get you 2 more percent. Okay, 100 now. Down. Food. Sunflower seeds. Yeah. They're your favorite? Okay, nothing's happening except me feeding my birds. What can I get guarded in here? No, I don't want to post. Okay. Well, how do I see my quest board again? Oh, how annoying. Is it this side? Do I not have any more quests? I guess that's it for now, guys. I'll feed him the last of these. That was a chaotic day for... Girl! What is... First it was the robot, now it's you. Here, take it. Good girl. Good girl. She's so curious of it. As if she didn't just eat 9 of them. Oh, are you getting grouchy because you want me to pass it to you? Oh my heavens! The sass of you, woman! Excuse me! "7 days old and already giving me sass." On my finger, please. On my finger, please. What? On my finger? Yeah, on my finger. Yeah. Get on. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, go. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for logging in to my second part of Forever Pets. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Please give me some info in the comment section on what to do because I'm at a loss now. Like, doesn't seem to give me quests, and I think I scared the robot off, guys. So yeah, please let me know down below what I have to do. Oh, I have to get these up. That's interesting. Okay. Well, there we go. That's for next time, I guess. Well, Thank you, and have a lovely day. Bye! You and I are gonna have words after this. Get over here. Get over here.